My bike just died and I am gonna push it until home. It's a long journey, but we have to make it. It also happens to be Sakura time in Japan, so at least the scenery is pretty while I push my bike. 3 more kilometers. Really, I'm just gonna push my bike for the next hour. Okay. Yep. I hope it fits. Yep. Okay, go that way or this way. I don't know what happened. Dash doesn't light up. I'll try a push start here. Some power. Let's go. Dead. This car. Yeah, I need more push to start it again. Alright, one more push. No power. Am I even going to the right place though? Yep. Drive. Start. Take a left turn. Okay, I need to just get my bike started somehow once again. Maybe I'll just push it. It's a climb up here, so let's go. Let's go. This bike is not that heavy, but on slopes and heights you start to really feel the weight of the bike. Oh, it's on a straight road it's fine, but not on a climb. But the thing is, you can probably jump start this after a climb, so it's maybe worth it. The cherry blossoms are really pretty. Maybe I can go now. Look at that. It's spring and there are so many flowers. Why? 1 kilometer. One more kilometer. Shit. Go. Maybe I'll push one more time here. Okay. Okay. So, neutral, second, first, neutral, second. That's it. Let's push it. Ignition. Yep. Okay. Runner up. on this. One more red light. And now the dash is blinking, probably red light, so let's turn it off. Says I need to go right. It's a big climb up around. Let's see. Go, it's green. Okay. Nah. Yeah. That's a big climb, but let's go. It's easier to walk the bike than straddle it in between your legs while being seated. Oh no. I'll probably take 3 or 4 rest breaks on this slope. First break at this crossing. Let's go. Tomare. Yep. Time for a break. Okay, we're really not that far, and we almost made it here. Okay, 500 meters, and if I go right, I might have a better chance reaching earlier. It's a slope both ways, but I don't know, this one seems to be less steep. Let's go on here. Alright. Yeah, that reason, right? Neutral. Right. Keep pushing. Yeah, this is a lot less steep. Keep pushing. Rest break after this blue car. Okay, break time. I mean, it's so heavy, and you really feel that weight on a slope. So, and we didn't. I think we pushed like half of the way too. So, only a little bit more. Who's calling me now? もしもし。
あ、いいじゃん。
はい、みさとさん、どこにいますか？
いいじゃん、向かってる今。
もう一回。
中目黒いる？
いやいやいや、私は今、成瀬ですよ。
あ、今日さ、
はい。
バイクダメだからさ、大丈夫？
もち、
まだ外にするかさ。
電車で来るんですけど、
そういうことか。
多分、遅く、7時ぐらいに、
まだ家にいる、ごめん。
まだ家にいないです。私も。
ねねに
私まだ家にいない。
私家にいない。
イシャンはまだ家にいないです。まだ。はじめ。
はさ、バイクはどうなったの？
バイクはダメです。4月の15日まで。
なるほど。バイク、
もう一回。
バイクはとりあえず修理出してて、
はい。
成瀬にいるってこと？
そうそう。
中目黒は来れそうなの？
今から行きますね。
あ、
これから。
中目黒からちょっと待って、私さ、今出るから、
多分同じぐらいです。
そうだね、1時間だね、成瀬から中目黒。
横浜から同じですか？
私は、今の時間で行くと、30分、40分、3、40分だ。
早いですね。じゃあ私、
ちょっと早い。
あ
じゃあでも、今まず全然準備して、家にいるから、
準備してください。本当に行きたいですか？行きたいですか？私の動画見た？どうでしたか？中目。
見たよ、見た。
そうそう。はい。
桜咲いてんね、これ。今だね、これきっと。
うん。
ねえ、行くか。19時待ち合わせで大丈夫？
19時。今は5、だいたい6時ですね。
だいたい18、19時、だいたい19時、7時。
7時から、花見。
ど
う
う？イシャン
ん。
は大丈夫そう？ちょっと遅い？
いいえ、多分7時半はちょうどいいけど、7時はまだ知らないんですね。
ああ、なるほど。
ミサトは何分ぐらい準備しますか？
ちょっとね、近いから、3、40分くらいだから、3、40分だから、
いいと思います。19時半。そう、いいですね。
じゃあ19時半に合わせて中目黒駅行くよ。
OK。じゃあ中目黒駅ですね。
19時半ね。
はい、ありがとうございます。
どうも。
はい。
またね。
また。ふわ。Alright, we got a call and we finished it. We keep pushing again. I'm gonna use the slope, the descent after this hill to start and reach home. Hopefully I make it. Yeah. I think I will need one more break after one of these houses. It's quite steep. Yeah. Let's go. I need break time soon. After this blue car. Almost there. Break time. I mean, I get tired so easily. Alright, I think I have recovered a little bit. Let's go again. I hope there's a good slope in front of it so I can get a start. Nah, it's full flat. Come on. And there is some slope. Okay. Which way? Straight. We go straight. And I'll straddle it from here on. Yo, let's go. Put it in second. Push it some more. Let's go. No. 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 One more. Okay. First. Ah, the key was off. Damn. Right, one more. No. Didn't work. I ran out of breath too. I've been pushing this thing for like 6-7 kilometers, 3-4 hours now. Yeah, first, second. Push it, push it. Should be a very good slope. Now, push. There we go. Send it, send it. Ignition check. Send it now. Don't give out just yet. Almost there. Come on. Last slope. No, 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 no. Almost there. Shit. I'm gonna push it just a little bit more. Oh no, I can't push it. Whew. The smells is really bad. I don't know. I think it's a good thing it stopped. And I'm gonna push it the rest of the way. Alright. Ooh. Okay, let's go a little more. Come on, come on, come on, come on, yep, yep, yep. Okay. Almost there. Okay, parking. Right turn. It's too tight. Made it. Alright. Let's go and park it. Yo. The tires on the cover, we're not done yet. Push it. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright. So good enough. You damn, it was a day. Finally got home now. Okay. Use this as a standby. Damn. I just put the cover now. I don't know what happened today. Let's go home now.